3 Oh so yummy summer snacks for kids. Kids will be very active during the summer season. Whether they're playing in the park or swimming at the beach, they need delicious and refreshing snacks to fuel their energy. Put a smile on their face by being creative in preparing their food. Try these oh so yummy summer snacks perfect for kids. Yogurt dipped cereal and strawberry. What you need: 1 dozen strawberries, 2 cups Honey Nut Cheerios cereal, 3/4 cup plain or vanilla yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey. Mix the yogurt and honey in a small bowl. Place the Cheerios cereal in a shallow dish. Dip each strawberry once or twice into the yogurt and honey mixture until coated nicely, then roll into the dish of Cheerios. Arrange the yogurt-dipped strawberries on a plate and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes before serving. Gummy-filled popsicles. What you need: colorful gummy bears, Sprite popsicle mold, popsicle sticks. Pour Sprite into each mold about 3/4 all the way. Drop in gummy bears, as many as you want to or as many as your mold could accommodate. Place a popsicle stick into each mold and place it in the freezer until frozen all the way through. Once completely frozen, remove popsicles from mold and serve immediately. Crispy stuffed s'mores. What you need: 7 cups of mini marshmallows, 6 cups crisped rice cereal, 1 bar Hershey's milk chocolate, 1/2 package graham cracker sheets, 5 tablespoons butter. Melt the butter and 5 cups marshmallows together in a large pan over low heat. Stir in the crisped rice cereal until combined and remove from heat. Pour half of the mixture into a greased 9 by 9 inch pan. Spread evenly using a spatula. Layer with graham crackers, chocolate bar, and 1 cup mini marshmallows. Broil for 30 seconds in an oven. When ready, pour the remaining butter, marshmallow, and crisped rice cereal mixture on top of the s'mores layer. Spread evenly again using a spatula. Top with remaining marshmallows and return to oven to broil for 1 minute. Allow cooling for a few minutes before slicing. Kids need attractive, delicious, and filling snacks to keep them interested. Adding color and creativity to what you prepare goes a long way, especially now that it's summertime. Kids will most likely be busy for most of the day playing and doing all sorts of fun activities. Prepare these oh so yummy summer snacks for kids and they'll definitely ask for a second serving.